Hi guys, today we'll take a look at the best action cameras on the market. I made this list based on my favorites and I'm hoping to help you find the right one for your needs and your budget. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these great cameras, check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Best overall, GoPro Hero 9. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is the most capable GoPro you can buy right now. And new features including a front-facing color display improve the overall experience. However, there's still much to be desired when it comes to low-light performance. GoPro has spent years crafting its image as the go-to for action cameras, with its HyperSmooth stabilization offering a stark improvement over much of the competition. But as smartphone cameras have improved over the years, it's become harder to justify spending hundreds on a dedicated action camera. The 1.4-inch square color display, housed to the left of the lens, offers a significant change from the primary monochrome display. The camera system relies mainly on touch input, tapping and swiping your way around the user interface to change various settings, switch shooting modes, and watch captured footage, rather than using physical navigation buttons. The Hero 9 Black can handle just about anything you can throw at it. That includes taking it for a dunk, offering water resistance up to 10 meters deep without the need for a case, and including a new drain microphone helps drain excess water out of the camera more efficiently. The GoPro Hero 9 Black has a red button on the top to trigger a video or capture a photo, a power mode button on the left, and a well-hidden side door housing the battery, a USB-C port for charging, and the microSD card slot. Also, the increased resolution helps the Hero 9 to shoot at 5K at 30 frames per second, and includes HyperSmooth Boost stabilization to both 5K and 4K recording, something not possible on the Hero 8. Best 360 Insta360 1R. The Insta360 1R is a modular action and 360 camera that snaps together like Lego bricks. It allows users to choose between 3 cameras or mods, depending on the essential features. The Insta360 1R's modular system clicks together quickly and comprises a battery, a lens mod, and the core module. There's a microSD card slot and a USB-C port for charging on the side of the core module. Physical controls sit on the top of the touchscreen and include a power button and a record button. All other settings are changed through the touchscreen or the app. Before you start shooting, you'll need to connect the camera to the Insta360 app, which is done through the camera's Wi-Fi. The process is fast and easy, and the app doesn't have any trouble remembering the camera between uses. One neat feature about this camera is that the core module can be attached in either direction, allowing you to place the screen at the camera's back or facing forward, more useful for selfie mode. Although the UI on the Insta360 1R leaves something to be desired, I was impressed by the quality of the footage that this camera could capture. Best value GoPro Hero 8 Black. The Hero 8 Black is one of the most versatile, unshakable Hero cameras ever. A streamlined design makes it more pocketable than ever, and swapping mounts takes just seconds, thanks to built-in folding fingers. And with the optional media mod, you get ultimate expandability to add more lighting, pro audio, and even another screen. There's also game-changing HyperSmooth 2.0 stabilization with jaw-dropping slow-mo. A new side door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is now 2 times more impact resistant. Smooth just got smoother. Now Hero 8 Black has 3 levels of stabilization: on, high, and boost, so you can pick the best option for whatever you do. Get the most comprehensive views possible or boost it up to the smoothest video ever offered in a Hero camera. Plus, HyperSmooth works with all resolutions and frame rates and features in-app horizon leveling. Capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while you move through an activity. And now Time Warp automatically adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection, and lighting. Record the moments 1.5 seconds before and after your shot so that you can choose the best angle frame for the perfect photo. Now you can share while you're there, live stream in 1080p on social, Get HyperSmooth stabilization as you broadcast via the GoPro app, and save footage to your SD card to check out later. Best underwater, Olympus Tough TG6. The Olympus Tough TG6 is the company's 6th generation premium underwater camera. It features a 12-megapixel sensor, 4x optical zoom lens, numerous sensors, and, of course, serious protection against the elements. The TG6 is a pocketable, ultra-rugged camera with a blend of features that will appeal to many different audiences. The TG6's auto mode can handle just about every situation, and its numerous scene modes are well organized. Going underwater? Just choose the fish spot on the mode dial, where you'll find 5 choices that match the situation you're in. Olympus offers many accessories, including an underwater housing that lets the camera go 15 meters deeper, wide-angle and fisheye conversion lenses, and the ability to fire Olympus's flashes wirelessly. Hikers and other adventurers can take advantage of the camera's sensors and tracking abilities, so they can see exactly where they were on the journey when they took a photo. The environmental sensors include a GPS, altimeter, depth gauge, compass, accelerometer, and thermometer. The TG6's host of close-up features not only allow for capturing subjects 1 centimeter away, also, the digital microscope mode lets you zoom in up to 4 times more, though reducing image quality. Best for selfie, DJI Osmo Action. The DJI Osmo Action is one of the best action cameras on the market. Its rock-steady combines EIS with complex algorithms, delivering stable, shake-free footage no matter how heavy the action gets. This action camera dramatically enhances the dynamic range of your footage when recording with HDR video. This superb action camera captures every epic move with jaw-dropping clarity and detail when you use 8 times slow motion with 1080p resolution and 240 frames per second. This camera offers 40K at 60 frames per second at 100 megabytes per second video, ensuring your footage always matches the moment's intensity while maintaining sharp details. For simplified use and upgraded efficiency, Custom Mode lets you store, list, and select frequently used shooting modes and exposure settings. The lens features 3 aspherical layers that effectively reduce glare and distortion, delivering crystal clear images even in direct sunlight. I got 5 voice commands that make essential functions like filming, capturing photos, and powering down the device effortlessly. Also, the quick switch button ensures modes and settings are easily and quickly accessible.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.